Tiffany Hobbs. I'm licensed occupational therapist, and April is Occupational Therapy Month. And in honor of that, I just wanted to do some videos on some techniques that I use in my occupational therapy practice. What I want to talk to you about is meditation. So meditation was a hard thing for me personally. It was something that I didn't find much interest in. I thought it was boring. I couldn't figure out what exactly the whole thing was about. But now I find that it's helpful because I found the way to meditate that works for me, that's helpful to me. My meditations are short because I have a short attention span. I like my information quick. I like things quick and short. I usually do 1 to 5 minutes. Sometimes it's just simply deep breathing for a minute in, breathe out, and I feel my body release, and I just visualize negative energy, stress just leaving my body. Just breathing in, breathing out, feeling my body relax, and breathing out all that negative energy and tension. Sometimes I close my eyes and I just visualize different colors. There's a lot of different colors that mean different things. For me, I visualize a lot of blue. Blue is known to be very calming. From my colorful, radiating through my body. And again, I just do this for 1 to 5 minutes. It calms my nervous system down. It gets my body grounded. It gets my head grounded, and just makes things better to continue on with my day. Also, another thing I do is scents. Maybe I'll rub some essential oil in my hand. I like peppermint, or lavender is a really great one for calming. Lavender is known to have a lot of relaxation qualities, so I'll do a drop of lavender with maybe a lotion, put it up to my hands, breathe it in, breathe it out. And again, whatever time you have, 1 minute, 5 minutes, an hour, whatever feels great to you. Again, these are just some tips. There's so many different ways to meditate. And of course, you can always, there's a lot of meditation music, a lot of meditation affirmations. I do Gabby Bernstein. I like that a lot. She does a lot of positive affirmations in her meditations. I cannot just sit still and be quiet and meditate. So if you're like me, maybe try one of these methods, see what works for you. And again, thank you for supporting this video. And April is Occupational Therapy Month. We're trying to get awareness out there about OT. We help people with our daily activity skills, whether that's adults, seniors, kids, babies, infants. We work with all populations, many different settings: hospitals, nursing homes, schools, homes, prisons, just a lot of different places. And we just want to thank you for all our support, especially the OTs that are out there still working on the front lines, working with patients every day. Thank you. All right, take care. Stay safe, guys.